Volkswagen GTI is a small compact car that delivers power in a perfect way, and it also maintains that daily driver comfort that Volkswagen offers for this car. These are very common cars to push a lot of power in and still maintain that reliability. And what we're going to be doing in this video is installing a Shift Culture fully stainless steel heat shield wrapped and gold plated CATLESS Downpipe on this 2026 MK8.5 GTI.
Hey guys, it's DJ. We'll go through all the steps and all the process. Break that loose.
So far what DJ has done here is remove the O2 sensors and then also removed the bracket that goes underneath and holding down the downpipe.
Second O2 sensor that we take out after I get it off. But that one runs up the firewall and then over, the plug is over on the firewall there. So you do that, and then we take this one out and disconnect the V-band from the top of the turbo, move that over to the turbo side so it can kind of disconnect and hopefully come right on out.
Downpipe is almost fully on. Just have to bolt these down. We had to remove it from the stock downpipe from right there. We removed it and we put it right here. And then we also have to put the bracket that goes right here. And as you can see here, we have the downpipe installed. It saves up a lot of space and a lot of weight. As you can see right there, it's bolted on to the turbo. And this thing was super huge. As you guys can see there, it's super restrictive. With the new downpipe, we're gonna get tons and tons of that back pressure relieved with this downpipe. So just take a look at it, guys. And we also got the O2 sensors in. But just before we put everything back together, we're gonna start it like this and see what it sounds like, just for fun. No check engine light. If you made it till the very end, thank you for watching. It sounds amazing. Compared to the before, it's a huge difference. Even with the stock catback, I can't wait to see the performance gains that we have on this car right here. In my opinion, I say this completely changed the car. It woke the car up. It's a completely different car while driving, and it's actually gonna stay cooled because of the gold plated heat shield wrapped on the downpipe. If you're looking for some car parts for your car, it could be all the way down from a GTI to a McLaren, a Lamborghini, a Ferrari. If you're looking for some car parts for your car, make sure you check our website out, Shift Culture Official. We have infinite amount of parts, and I'm sure you could find something for your car there. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Stay shifting.